How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Sick Eric Tech. And today we are taking a look at an LG Velvet bought off of Amazon Renewed program. Now, in case y'all don't know what Amazon Renewed is, it's an opportunity to buy used devices that have been refurbished on Amazon Renewed. And this LG Velvet is a T-Mobile variant, and I think I paid about $160 for this. So we're going to take a look and see exactly what condition it came in. And Amazon Renewed is pretty good. They offer discounts on devices, and you get about a 90-day return period. So if you don't like it, if it's too scratched up or there's something wrong with it, you have 90 days to return the product. No questions asked, nothing. And Amazon Renewed is a pretty cool program. Now, the only other phone that I've ever ordered off of Amazon Renewed has been Samsung Note 9, like several years ago. And that phone came in pretty rough condition. So I'm hoping that this LG Velvet does not, and I'm hoping that it does look pretty good and it looks decent. So we're going to take a look, see exactly the condition that this comes in. Subscribe, like, and share, and let's go ahead and get started with the video, shall we? Alright, so let's go ahead and check out and see the condition of this LG Velvet. Now, this is the T-Mobile variant, which means it comes with the Dimensity 1000C chipset, not the 765 from Qualcomm, which is going to be the unlocked variant of the LG Velvet. This is the T-Mobile variant, and it does come with a different processor. Now, Amazon Renewed, I usually get my stuff off of Swappa when it comes down to used devices. I've had pretty good luck with using Swappa as far as getting my used devices, other than my LG V60 coming in a little bit more scratched up than I would like. But any other phone that I've ordered off of Swappa has been in really good condition. My LG G9, excellent condition off of Swappa, another Velvet, and of course my Wing being a really good condition device. And the only phone that I ordered off of Amazon Renewed was a Galaxy Note 9, and that phone just really came in bad condition. It was scratched up, it was horrible. So this is what Amazon sends you in the box. As you can see, not much in there. They do give you a USB-A to USB Type-C cable and an off-brand charging brick. So pretty good. I'm pretty sure this is probably like a 10-watt charger, and it's by Motorola, which is weird, but they do give you that in the box. So let's get a look at the LG Velvet, and let's hope that this is in great condition. This is the Aurora Gray color, and when this phone came out, I did get it in the white, and then of course I've gotten the LG Velvet in the red over here as well. So let's take a look at the device, and it does come with some protective tape around it, so the back looks really good. And let's take a look at the display. So the display looks really good as well. So here it is, the back of the device. Very, very nice. There is one little scuff around the camera lens, but nothing too serious, if you guys could see that. Around the charger port, looks pretty good, and the sides look pretty good as well, and everything looks in order as far as the display goes. Everything looks pretty nice and sharp and clean, so no scratches, thankfully. Along the back, there is a little scratch down here at the bottom. I don't know if you guys could pick that up. It's by the LG logo. Nothing too serious though, but it is a little minute scratch. But other than that, it looks really, really good. And then let's go ahead and power it on. And as far as the display goes, I do not see any scratches on the display. There is one scratch right here, sort of like I hope it's not a crack, but no, it's a little micro scratch. I don't know if you guys could pick that up or not, but nothing too serious. It actually looks really good. It looks like a scratch, not a crack, and I'm actually quite pleased with it. So very nice. Let's go ahead and wait for it to power on. And of course, if you don't like anything about your device, when you get it, you do have 90 days to return it. And I think I am actually quite pleased with the condition of this device. It looks really good. And here it is compared to the Snapdragon LG Velvet. And the only differences between these, I think the camera layout is a little different. The Snapdragon camera is a little bit more pushed off to the edge, while the T-Mobile is a little bit more inward, which is why you get those weird cases that don't really match up with the camera layout. And for some reason, the cameras are more towards the edge on the Snapdragon and more towards the middle of the T-Mobile variant, which is why they do not line up. But as far as that goes, I am quite pleased with the condition of this purchase. So very nice. Of course, you get Android. I believe this is running Android 11, upgradable to Android 12. 4300 milliamp hour battery. And here it is compared to my LG Wing. So very similar in the color, actually almost pretty much the same color of the LG Wing. So very nice. I think I am happy with my purchase. As far as scratches go, nothing too serious. This looks a lot better than my LG V60 did. And other than that little scratch right there, nothing serious, and the little scuffs around the camera, I think I could live with this. For $159, it's going off of Amazon right now, and I think that's a pretty darn good deal for an LG Velvet. You could probably get a little bit cheaper off of Swappa, but those are a little bit more used, and you might have a hit or miss as far as getting a nice device that's in good condition. While Amazon Renewed, they pretty much guarantee you a nice condition device or your money back, like literally 90 days, no matter what. You could wait that whole 90 days, play with your phone, use it, and then just send it back and say you don't like it. So that's a pretty good deal. So very nice on this LG Velvet. I cannot wait to use it. And stay tuned, I might do a camera comparison between the Snapdragon variant and the Dimensity 1000 variant and see if there's any differences in camera processing or image processing of both of these devices. So if you'd like to see that video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. That's just one of the videos I think I might do to compare these two processors as far as is there any difference in cameras. I know the T-Mobile variant of the LG did not have all your ASMR and voice bokeh modes, and the Snapdragon version did. So we'll see exactly how that is, if there's been an update to improve that or not. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. LG Velvet T-Mobile variant off of Amazon Renewed for 160 bucks. You cannot go wrong. This is a beautiful device, and I think I am happy with it. So definitely add to my collection of LG devices that I've gotten, and I think this is a pretty good collection as far as, and then you got the LG V60 over here. So very nice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you appreciated the video and enjoyed it, and I will see you down the road. Peace.